Hi, I'm here with another business tip. I had a question the other day in a group where an entrepreneur had set up a business and was in operation, actually. I believe it was a nonprofit organization, and received a notification that their business name was an infringement um, on another business. And as a result, they in fact needed to change their business name. No question about it. Now, I don't know how you could literally be in business, let alone a nonprofit, and or who helped them get into business, get set up, and why that name wasn't verified. How they got that far into business where they're operating, licensed and operating, and their name had not been verified. Social media has kind of diluted a lot of the legal ramifications of entrepreneurship, self employment, being in business, and made it seem like it's this kind of game. And first and foremost, I think new entrepreneurs need to realize that this is your livelihood. If you don't get out of bed, you probably ain't making no money unless you're making your money in the bed. And, when we're out here hustling, grinding, like it's real. I don't like those terms, but the fact is that that's what we're doing. It's not all glitz and glamour and nice rides and shopping sprees. That's the result of the grinding and the hustling. When you don't take the right route and follow the proper procedures, um, that's when you run into trouble. You've It's really important to understand that there is a business planning process, and overlooking some of these steps or assuming they're not important, or they're simple or they're insignificant is how this leads to copyright infringement. It leads to you changing your business name. It leads to all of your marketing efforts being worthless because you were marketing a whole nother name. Point is all of that time and effort and money and whatever went involved in you marketing your business under that name is now in the trash. And so when you're small and your budget's limited and you're just starting out and all of those uphill battles, um, this is just one more uphill battle that you just really can avoid. Take your business seriously. Take your customers, your customer service, your marketing, all of those things, your financial management. Take this stuff seriously. Starting a business is not hard. It is not hard. There's just a lot of stuff to do. And when you have a long list of things to do, the last thing you want to have to do is go back and repeat yourself because you didn't do your homework. And that's your business tip for today.